Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to animate a line graph in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, go to Fusion and hold Ctrl plus Paste and search for Paint and add it to your node editor. Now select the polyline stroke and click on the graph area to create your line. To animate the graph, expand the stroke controls. Move the right on slider to start and set the keyframe. Move forward in the timeline, then drag the right on slider to the end. This will make the graph line appear gradually. You can change the color of the graph by expanding Apply controls and selecting your preferred color. And want to enhance the look, adjust the stroke width and add a glow effect for a polished style. And that's it. That's how you animate a line graph in DaVinci Resolve. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.